I make my move. Soft light, colors flow. Every line tells what I know. No rush, I take my time. Hard to canvas line by line. I paint my feelings calm and free. Every color speaks for me. Lo-fi dreams and magic skies. In my art, my spirit flies. That big pulse inside my chest. Every stroke becomes my best. From the shadows into glow, this is how my visions grow. I paint my feelings calm and free. Every color speaks for me. Lo-fi dreams, cinematic skies. In my art, my spirit flies. Slow it down, just watch and see. This art is therapy. I wake up to a blank white page. Colors call and break the cage. Every line is part of me. Every shade a memory. No words, just feelings in my hand. I paint my dreams, you understand. I draw my world, stroke by stroke. Silent thoughts I finally spoke. No rules here, I feel alive. In every color I survive.
Messy lines, but they are mine. Every flaw still shines. From the dark into the light, I let it flow, I feel it right.
I draw my world, stroke by stroke. Silent thoughts I finally spoke.
No fear left, no disguise. Just paint my heart, my open eyes.
If you feel lost, come draw with me. This canvas is where we're free.
Yeah. Blank page. Let's go. I wake up, blank page in my sight. Colors call my name, yeah, day or night. Every line I draw, part of my soul. Every shade I drop, trying to feel whole. No words, just feelings in my hand. my dreams, you understand. I draw my world, stroke by stroke. Silent thoughts I finally spoke. No rules here, I feel alive. In every color I survive. I draw my world, stroke by stroke. Silent thoughts I finally spoke. No fear left, no disguise. Just paint my heart, my open eyes. If you feel lost, come draw with me. This canvas where we're free. Yeah. Blank page. Let's go. I wake up, blank page in my sight. Colors call my name, yeah, day and night. Every line I draw, part of my soul. Every shade I drop, trying to feel whole. No words, just feelings in my head. I paint my dreams, you understand. I draw my world, stroke by stroke. Silent thoughts I finally spoke. No rules here, I feel alive. In every color I survive. Messy lines, yeah, they are mine. Every flaw I got still shines. From the dark I move to light. Let it flow, yeah, feeling right. I draw my world, stroke by stroke. Silent thoughts I finally spoke. No fear left, no disguise. Just paint my heart, my open eyes. If you feel lost, come draw with me. This canvas where we're free.
Late night, quiet room, blank white page, I make my move. Soft light, colors flow, every line tells what I know. No rush, I take my